Hello again, it's Noob, and this beautiful vintage antique padlock in front of you is lent to me by my good friend Yukov, and it's really quite an interesting padlock made by Union. It's got an iron body with a brass shackle, and interestingly only 4 locking pins, and these, there you go, you see the plugs aligned with this strange flat bitting on this key, but the key doesn't turn the core in a traditional manner. What you're essentially doing here is you are locating the pins to the correct height and then pulling on the shackle, in which case then you can turn the key or turn it with the shackle with your hands and it opens up. A couple of good features. You can see here this little it's like a spacer pin but also a locating pin. It basically keeps the shackle up while it turns along the top of the lock, but once it goes down into this little groove here or hole, it locates in, and then it'll allow the shackle to drop. You can see on the other side the locating hole for the pin at the end of the shackle, and let's just watch those come together. Rotate, rotate, rotate. You'll see that this pin then comes into the hole. There you go, and then the rest can lock in. Very, very cool. But it does make picking it hard, because what you've got to try and do is pull really hard on the shackle, either in your fingers or in a vise or against another padlock or something, and then try to pick it while you got the tension going in the same direction as the pins are lined up. So yeah, you can't turn anything against the pins to provide tension against them, because of course this shackle is located in a hole. There's a pin located in a hole, so what you'd be doing is turning that against that part here, not actually the pins themselves. Okay, so I have a padlock to rest my fingers against. My finger through this shackle, I'm going to pull up, then jam my finger in like that, and then see if I can't pick it quickly. So pin 4, pin 1, there you go, pin 3, four, 3, 2, 1. Just trying to go along, see if there's anything I've missed. Don't think so, so I'm just going to give it a tug now. Okay, maybe I've overset something. Let's just go through the pins again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's give them all a bit of a nudge. And there we go. Phew, that was hard. Look at my thumb. Ah! Oh, my hand's like got cramp, but I think it's going to like stay like this for a week now. But you know, I'll get used to it. Whew. Wow. So yeah, I think the difficulty with this one is actually just getting tension on there. What a beastly lock. But still, it's kind of beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed that lock as much as I did, and I'll see you all next time.